Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're in this channel, then please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So I know you all are really very bored like me, so I thought I should share my Netflix shows and movies list with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I have my laptop with me today because I always forget something, and I made a list of all the shows and movies I want to recommend you guys. And the first show is Teen Wolf. It is one of my favorite supernatural shows and you guys must watch it. So in this show, Tyler Posey portrays the title character Scott McCall. An awkward teen turns into a werewolf after being bitten by one. And it's about how he learns to adapt to his new identity. Second is Sabrina. So Sabrina Spellman, the main character of the show, wrestles to reconcile her dual nature, half witch, half mortal, while standing against the evil forces that threaten her, her family, and the human world. Third one is The Original, and oh my god, this is my favorite, and if you have already watched The Vampire Diaries, then you should watch this one. So when the original family of vampires settled down in the city of New Orleans that they helped to construct several decades ago, they encounter old buddies and confront new foes. Next is Cursed, and it is not the most interesting supernatural fiction, but if you like supernatural fiction shows and movies like me, then you can watch it and you should watch this one. So in a retelling of the Arthurian legend, teenage sorceress Nimue joins forces with a young and charming mercenary named Arthur on a mission to save her people. So the next category is suspense, mystery and drama. The first show is You. It is about a male bookstore manager who crosses paths with a female writer, but using social media and the internet, he uses every tool at his disposal to become close to her, even going so far as to remove any obstacle, including people that stands in his way of getting to her. So the next one is Secret Obsession, and I was looking for something like this for months, and few months ago I found this on Netflix and I watched this one, and I know many of you haven't heard of the name of this movie, but it's really amazing. When Jennifer, the main character of this movie, wakes up with amnesia after a traumatic attack, her doting husband cares for her, but she soon realizes that the danger is far from over. The next category is American TV shows, and the first one is Never Have I Ever. This was the first American TV show I watched, and it is one of the most popular American TV shows. So, after a traumatic year, an Indian American teen just to spruce up her social status, but friends, family, and feelings won't make it easy on her. Next one is Jane the Virgin, and Jane the Virgin is an American romantic telenovela. Jane Villanueva's life turns upside down after she gets artificially inseminated. She is in for a greater shock when she discovers that the biological donor is her boss and former crush. So the next one is Insatiable, and Insatiable is a really famous show, and I'm currently watching this one and I'm loving it. It's a dark comedy. Patty Bladel is a teenager who was constantly bullied in school for being overweight. After being on a liquid diet for 3 months, now she seeks revenge on her bullies and wants to be a beauty queen. So the next category is romance movies, and the first one in this category is Fallen in Love. So in this movie, a corporate executive wins a New Zealand inn that lacks curb appeal, and when a country boy helps her in the renovation work of the inn, then romance and remodeling collide. The next is Lucky One. The Lucky One is about a dejected and lonely marine. So after returning from the Iraq war, he tries to track down a woman who he believed was his lucky charm. While staying with her family, he finally finds peace. So the next one is Autumn Dreams. So years after the annulment of a couple's spontaneous marriage, they discover a mistake in the paperwork that means they are still husband and wife. And the interesting part is that they are on the verge of marrying other people. The next category is teen movies. And the first one is Work It. So, a brilliant but clumsy 18-year-old achieves near perfection by hard work. She vows to transform her gawkiness through dance and refine her skills until she competes at a competition. So the next one in this category is Tall Girl, and this is my favorite teen movie because I think you should accept the way you are. So, when the tallest girl in high school falls for a handsome foreign exchange student, she becomes embroiled in a surprising love triangle and realizes she's far more than her insecurities. So the next movie is 5 Feet Apart, and I think most of you have already watched this one. It's a story of Stella and Will, who spends most of their time in the hospital as cystic fibrosis patient, and they fall in love through restrictions dictate that they must maintain a safe distance between them. So the next category is Christmas movie, and I love watching Christmas movies. I have watched so many till now, but these are my all-time favorites. So the first one is The Princess Switch. 1 week before Christmas, a duchess switches places with an ordinary woman from Chicago who looks exactly like her, and they each fall in love with each other's beaux. The next is A Christmas Prince, and there are 3 parts of A Christmas Prince. When an aspiring young journalist sent abroad to get the scoop on a dashing prince who's poised to be king, she gets to know the real nature of the prince. Last movie recommendation is A Christmas with a View. When a celebrity chef is named the new head chef, a sky resort started buzzing, and Clara, the manager of the resort, realizes that they have more in common than they first thought. So that's it for today's video. If you find the video useful, then please give it a thumbs up.